If you want your ThriveCart receipts to the customers having a message here, like it says here in my email inbox, it says, "Thank you, I appreciate your business." If you want to show that type of message to your ThriveCart customers once they purchase something in their receipt, what you want to do is go ahead and once you log into ThriveCart, go into my profile, and under the business name, you can type in your message right here. So that's what I have listed. Thank you, I appreciate your business. Type whatever you want in there. I'm just going to change it here to adriel.tv. And then you want to click save my profile. Apply. Yes, apply changes. And that's it. ThriveCart is a super simple, easy checkout page system. You could create membership sites. You could create an affiliate program. It's super simple to use. It's a game changer. It's clean and built to actually convert, which means more sales and less stress for you. Plus, you can set it up once and it keeps working for you behind the scenes. So if you're ready to make your checkout process smooth and your business run smarter, I really suggest you check out ThriveCart, and the link's right below. So don't wait. Your future customers will thank you.